Oh, what a week. Well, for you it's what a last week. But before we get to that, cue the intro. Okay. Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. Now today I was gonna make one cocktail, but now I'm gonna be making two. The cocktail that I was going to make, or that I am making second, is the El Presidente, since we finally know that we're gonna have a president. Well, I mean, we're always going to have a president, but we're going to have a new president. And then I was saddened by some awful news about Alex Trebek. So I decided I was going to do a shot for Alex Trebek. And that shot is an Alex Trebek. To make an Alex Trebek, you need an ounce of vodka and an ounce of vanilla extract. I'm real nervous about how this one's going to taste, because that is a lot of vanilla extract. But, alas, let's make the Alex Trebek and have a moment for him. I know vanilla extract is pretty strong, but oh boy. And here's to you, Mr. Trebek. And your Double Jeopardy category is... Holy shit. That's good. That is really good. That man not only knew a lot of information, but he knew his drinks. May you rest in peace, good sir. Let's get on to the next drink. The El Presidente. To make the El Presidente, you need 1.5 ounces of light rum or white rum, 3/4 ounce of dry vermouth, 3/4 ounce of orange Curaçao, and a dash of grenadine syrup. Let's get started. So I don't know about you, but I am very glad that this election race is over. This has been a wild ride, lots of ups, lots of downs. It's been crazy. And word out on the street is that Nevada is still doing their counting. Maybe they'll get finished by the time I get 100 subscribers. Who knows? And this drink, it's the El Presidente, but it actually originates in Cuba. But El Presidente, it's all the same. There we go. Ooh, I can already smell that orange. Now when you're shaking a drink, you should always shake until the glass is just too cold to handle. That's when you know it's properly shaken. You got it nice and cold, proper dilution. Taking as long as to drain this as it is for Nevada to count the votes. There we go. And then we're going to garnish with an orange peel. And then you have the El Presidente. Cheers. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. That is really, really good. That's nice and orangey. It's sweet. Even though it's dry vermouth, you really don't taste the dry vermouth. The orange really complements the rum. You can definitely taste the rum coming out of the drink. A lot of that like syrup flavor, sugar, whatever flavors you get from rum. I'm not really much of a rum person. So as far as like finding flavors, I'm not that good at it. But I taste the rum and the orange is pretty good with it. Well, the El Presidente. That's a good one. I highly recommend that one. If you liked this recipe, if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. I've decided that once I hit the 100 subscriber milestone, I'm going to be doing a pretty cool giveaway for those 100 subscribers. So make sure you share this video. Let's get my subscriber count up so that we can have an awesome giveaway. And as always, hit that notification bell so you can see when we upload the next one. Thanks for joining.